going to do another video today on how I apply my lash extensions. I tried all kinds of different lash clusters and I always go back to Lashify. Look at the difference having some lashes on makes. I mean, it is so nice, and I can go to school and not have to put mascara on. I just put a little bit of foundation and go. And that's usually what I do. And these will stay on for probably, for me, I like to leave them on 4 or 5 days and then I switch them out. I like to give my lashes a break. And that's why I really like lash extensions. And the thing I like most about Lashify is that I always use the Plushie as my favorite. I also like the ones called Fluffy. But Plushie is my favorite and I always come back to it. These can be cleaned and reworn. I have worn them 5, 6, 7 times, like after I've cleaned them. And most of those cheaper lash clusters, you can't do that with. I'm gonna post a video after this one on how to clean them, but this is why this is so good. And the Lashify bond is the best. It doesn't leave your lashes feeling sticky or anything like that. And I only just use the Whisper Light, and it is in black. Whisper Light, Flexible Bond in black, and this is the best. All right, these are my lashes all laid out. I have my Whisper Light bond. I've got my Lashify wand that helps diffuse, an eyelash curler because I think it's better, and a little pair of tweezers that I like to use that I apply the lashes with. What I always start off doing is curling my lashes. I'm gonna give them a little curl. Then I'll brush through them with a little spoolie. Don't poke yourself in the eye. Okay. I try to take off the excess bond. And then I brush through like you're brushing mascara through your lashes. You don't want to overdo it. You don't want them to be clumpy or anything. And I'll tap the base, the root of my lashes. And now we're ready to start applying. I'm going to take some bond. What I do is I squeeze a little bit out there. I personally always start with my inner corner. I think it's easier. But you just apply some lash bond to the inside spine of your lash cluster. I like these tweezers for putting on my lashes. The first size I'm putting on is a 12. I'm going to put it near the base of your lash without actually touching your waterline. Take your next one, and I'm gonna slightly overlap this one again. Apply to your spine. You want to overlap slightly. Leave a little bit of space. If you need to spot fuse as you go, you can. I try not to do it until the end, unless I have to, unless I notice one that really needs it. Repeat this all the way to the end. I'm going to be using 3/14s, maybe 4/14s. And I will see at the end if I need an extra one. Sometimes I'll do a 12, 3/14s, a 16, and a 12 on the end. It'll make your eye look longer if you add some more on the end. And I'm going to put my 16. The last one. You can play around with your map, do whatever you like, whatever looks good on your eyes. You just need to play around. I have small eyes, so I kind of want to make mine look a lot bigger, and I have a hooded eye, so I feel like these lashes kind of hide that. That's why I love them. Now I'm going to take my Lashify wand. I have the little wandums one and it helps from sticking, but if you don't have the wandums, I highly recommend this tool. This tool, even if you use other brands, this tool is awesome because you can stick it on your whole eye, bond your whole lash together at one time. These little things you got to do individually, and you're not going to get the smooth look like coverage. So you just put this in there and fuse it together. Don't want to overfuse like during when you have your lashes on, but what you can do is if you notice your lashes need a little fuse every once in a while, you can do it. Just don't overfuse your lashes. But here's the final look. I absolutely love these. If you guys like these tutorials, please give me a follow, give me a like. What is your favorite lash clusters that you use? If you've used them, which ones do you love? I mean, like I said, Lashify, they last longer. You can wash them and reuse them, and their bond is by far the best. Way better than any other bond I've used. I'm not sponsored by any way. This is something I love when I share something on here. I'm not sponsored because I don't have enough subscribers. So give me a follow. Subscribers. I don't have enough followers. We're not on YouTube. We're on TikTok. But give me a follow, guys, if you like these kind of tutorials, and be watching because I'm going to post how I clean these lashes to reuse them.